potatoes. This is what's going in the earth today. He's already planted, I think, about 25 kilos, and we're going to be planting another 25 kilos. Ok.
Deve andare all'esposizione.
Leggermente storto.
Prende filo.
Ok. Se vuoi un filo te lo prendo. No. Meglio storto. Qua c'è qualche patata vecchia. Fai un bel close up che va pure.
Una?
Sto parlando con Domenico.
E fai il cameraman. Sei così bravo. Aspetta. Aspetta.
Li fanno così. Negli anni 60. 5.000 lire. Sta ancora là quello. Con la pellicola, col flash. Là.
Però le fragole quando si pianta adesso? Ma là non c'è più, eh?
Non devi vedere là che ci sono.
Non mi sembra che c'è più. C'è
Ah?
c'è più dove comprare. Oh.
Funziona l'attrezzatura tecnica?
Dopo vedo.
Sente che viene a vedere prima.
Sì, ma cambia totale. Cioè, non è stabile. Quello è il problema. Se fosse sempre 3 mega sarebbe fermo, non è sempre stabile, no?
Che fai?
So I'm doing, in Italian it's called pacciamatura. What's that called in English? I don't know. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some hay or straw and put it on top, and basically what it does is it protects the plant, it maintains coolness during the summertime so all the water doesn't absorb, and basically it means you need less water, the plant doesn't dry out, so I'm doing that just now. I'm just using bits of grass just now. I'm going to get some hay. This should do. It's a little bit soggy. Ooh. Papà, quanti devi fare ancora?
Ancora un po'.
Un bel po'. Nice, huh? Isn't it gorgeous? Vabbè, dopo magari aspettiamo, cioè, di... Well, if you're thinking twice about a decision to move to the countryside, I recommend you do. Let's go see how these potatoes are doing. Okay, I don't know if you could see, guys, but all of these, yes, all of them are potato plants. So these are all the ones that my dad planted, and as you can see, there's just tons of them, and they are flourishing like little bundles of joy. As you can see, look, there's the flower starting to come. It's gonna soon flower. And yeah, they're doing really well because we've had tons of rain. Hopefully you can hear me because Dom is up there doing some manual labour. So much natural water, and they're just doing really, really well. So we'll see. Let's have a look. Let's see if there's anything. I mean, I don't want to bring one up for you just now, but I'm pretty sure they should be already quite developed underneath. I'll show you when we are harvesting them. So, as you can see, the potatoes went really well. Stay tuned for when we do a harvest, okay? So stay tuned for that video. And if you've not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. We got parsley. We got peach trees. Oh my goodness, there is some peaches this year. Look at these little babies. I didn't even see these. My peaches. Peaches are coming. Fig trees, apricot trees, grapevines, more peaches. What we got here? Plum tree, no plums this year, oh well. Persimmons, olives, baby olives, here we go, flowering. My god, it's just so exciting. Okay, oh, I can hear my dad's tractor, he's coming back. I'm gonna go annoy him. Okay. Stay tuned for garden tour. And I'll see you soon. Bye!